Recently, this viral video showed some people in Africa consuming a mosquito burger. Each patty is made from up to 600,000 mosquitoes that swarm the banks of Lake Victoria during the rainy season. For those of you who are disgusted by the idea of eating insects, and that too mosquitoes, it's natural to assume that they're not good for health. But I'm afraid you are totally wrong. Insects are incredibly rich in super high quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals.
And it tastes like mulagavatam.
You might say, but don't mosquitoes spread diseases? Sure they do, but you see, that's the magic of cooking. It kills all parasites that might be present. All right, if top-notch nutrient quality alone does not convince you, let's speak sustainability. Insects are incredibly efficient at converting food to edible protein. They require almost 1,000 times less water than dairy, 5 times less land than even poultry, which is already very land efficient, and have 100 times less greenhouse gas emissions than beef, all while converting 1 kg of feed to nearly 1 kg of edible protein. By the way, it takes 2 kgs of feed to make 1 kg of eggs and 25 kgs of feed to make 1 kg of beef. Still not convinced? Many communities in India do consume insects. In fact, in Tamil Nadu during the rainy season, winged termites fried in sesame oil, chili, garlic, and curry leaves tastes much better than masala peanuts and is near 100% protein. Still uncomfortable? If insects were made into protein powder and mixed with chocolate, would you try it?